on an aggravated battery.
So here we have our white mirror spotlights on our factory default pattern, which is just a single flash alternation. This is the end result of the mirror mod using our auto flasher on the brand new Superduty here, but same effect on the F-150. And you can easily change the pattern and end up with kind of whatever display that you like. And because I know you all want to see it, here is the twin auto flasher set up on the roof and the mirrors in sync, as you can see. You don't have to synchronize them if you don't want to. You could even set the mirrors on a totally different pattern. But if you like everything to dance to the same pattern, you can have that possibility too. And as I said, those white spotlights in the mirrors will flash steady. All you need to do is apply power to the red wire, to the white wire, for forward illumination at any speed of the mirrors.